Hello guys, samahan nyo ako gawa tayo ng sausage guys. Sausage sandwich. Tsaka chicken. Yan. Nagawa ko na ito isa. Guys, yan, ganyan siya guys. Yan. Ito naman ang ating guys. Chicken sandwich. Yan. Yan siya guys. May ating chicken sandwich. Guys. Ready na yun ating guys. Fatire sausage. Ito naman fatire chicken. Yan. I-oven na natin guys. Oven. Guys, luto na yung ating chicken fatire saka sausage. Yan siya guys. Yan. Yummy guys. Chicken fatire and fatire sausage. Hello guys. Ready na yung ating guys. Fatire. Fatire to guys. Sausage. Saka ito naman chicken. Yan siya guys. Yummy. Medyo nasunog na. Yan siya guys. Chicken fatire and sausage.